Welcome to Easy Brizi. Today we're going to dive into the fascinating world of blockchain and NFTs. You might have heard of these buzzwords before, but don't worry if you're a bit lost, we're here to guide you through it. Understanding these concepts is crucial in today's digital age, as they have the potential to revolutionize the way we exchange and verify information, and even transform entire industries. But let's not get too serious just yet. Did you know that someone once tried to sell a picture of a potato for over $1 million as an NFT? It's true. So buckle up and let's explore the wild world of blockchain and NFTs together. First things first, blockchain is a type of digital ledger that records transactions in a secure and transparent way. Think of it as a chain of blocks, where each block represents a transaction and is linked to the previous one. Blockchain technology has become increasingly popular in recent years and is used in various industries such as finance, healthcare, and supply chain management. For example, it can be used to securely and transparently track the movement of goods from a manufacturer to a consumer. To help you understand the concept better, let me give you an analogy. Imagine a public library where anyone can borrow and return books. Each book represents a transaction, and the librarian maintains a ledger to keep track of who borrowed which book. In the case of blockchain, the ledger is decentralized and maintained by a network of computers instead of a single entity like a librarian. I hope that analogy helps you understand the basics of blockchain. Now, let's move on to NFTs. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are digital assets that are unique and cannot be replicated. Each NFT is one of a kind, and they are created and stored on a blockchain network. This allows for secure ownership and transfer of the asset. NFTs have gained popularity in the art world, where they are used to sell unique digital artwork. They have also been used in the gaming industry, where they can represent in-game items, and in the sports industry, where they can represent collectible items like trading cards. The non-fungible nature of NFTs means that they cannot be exchanged for something else of equal value, unlike other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. In this section, we'll explore how blockchain and NFTs work together. First, let's talk about how NFTs are created using blockchain technology. When an artist creates an NFT, they upload a digital asset, such as an image or video, to a blockchain platform. This creates a unique and traceable digital asset that can't be replicated, making it a non-fungible token. Once the NFT is created, it can be sold and transferred to others through the blockchain platform. This process is secure and transparent, allowing for a tamper-proof record of ownership. One of the benefits of using blockchain for NFTs is increased security. Since blockchain is a decentralized ledger, it's virtually impossible for someone to hack into the system and manipulate the data. Additionally, because all transactions are recorded on the blockchain, there's a transparent record of ownership, making it difficult for someone to dispute ownership of an NFT. Overall, the combination of blockchain and NFTs provides a powerful tool for artists, collectors, and investors to create, buy, and sell unique digital assets securely and transparently. In conclusion, we've covered the basics of blockchain and NFTs, including what they are, how they work, and how they're used in various industries. Remember, blockchain is like a digital ledger that keeps track of transactions, and NFTs are unique digital assets that can't be exchanged for something else. By combining these technologies, we can create a new world of secure and transparent digital ownership. If you're interested in learning more about blockchain and NFTs, there are plenty of resources available online. Don't be afraid to dive in and explore this exciting new frontier of technology. And who knows, maybe one day you'll even own your very own NFT masterpiece. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.